Good evening, everyone. This is day 15 practicing and speaking English to be more fluent and confident. And the main agenda or the idea that I am going to speak in this video is related to the story of lions and mice that you all have already heard in your life or read in your 5th, 6th, or 7th standard whenever you were struggling with your studies in those time. So I am going to narrate that story and I am going to build momentum or the content on that particular video, and at the end you have to describe or you have to say what improvement can I make this while I am narrating or making the story, and how is my level of English speaking is in this video, or the idea I am sharing or the thoughts I am presenting in front of you reading that particular story is how well and how good it is out of 10. So one day there was a lion sleeping in the forest peacefully. The a tiny mouse wandering around and ran across the lion's body. Due to his touch or his disturbance, the woke up. The lion woke up and caught him in his huge paws, and the mouse started began for mercy, and said the lion that if you will spare me, then I will return a favor. So at this fact, or at this what to say at this favor, the lion roared loudly and started laughing, that and he said that even a tiny mouse can help me. It is some kind of absurd for me, means unreasonable. It was mean to unreasonable for to the lion, but the mice said that no, if you will leave me, then I will return a favor to you. Return a favor means if you will help me, then I will help you too. So I don't know what came to the lion's mind, and he spares his life. And one day when lion was wandering in the forest, he was caught in a hunter's net, and he tried to make he tried a lot to make him break free, but he could not break free. So he started roaring. So he started roaring, and listening his roaring, the mouse came him to immediately, and he started gnawing the ropes of the net. Gnawing the ropes of net means beating repeatedly, means he started beating the ropes of the hunter's net, and so that the lion could be free from the net's burden, or the what to say net's जाल में जो बंधन है, from the bandhan of the net, hunter's net. So when mice completed his task, the lions became break free of the hunter's net, and then he realized that sometimes even the tiny people are the who looks small can can help us in extraordinary efforts. So we could not judge anyone by his size or his mental activity or his peace, and the lion was sudden surprised by the mice helps, and what to say at that time being available for someone, and the favor that the mice returns to the lions. And the moral of this story is that be kind to everyone. So this was the total story, and I have used so many new things in this, and I have learned them, and that I was describing in the video also. And when I was preparing for this, I found that I must describe the questions or the answers, and whatever vocabulary or the meanings that I have used in this video will be helpful for me to recall and for you to understand. Like I have used here began for mercy, gnawing the ropes, and return the favor. So these are the some kinds of idioms or phrases that I have used in this video. And overall, how was the story? And guys, every day I am preparing a bit to improvement my speaking English, and I am making it steady progress. And in this video you have to tell me what is my progress and how fluent I am at this stage, if it's been 15 days to me to practicing English to be more fluent and confident. So this was all for this video, and I am not going to let it be from my end, and I will put my efforts every day whatever I can do. there are so many tasks to me. My whole day routine is jam packed. Even though I am giving my 2 hours every day to learn English and want to become more fluent, and I am speaking in front of camera. And I'll be succeed in my first mission, then I will completely oriented towards the speaking English and learning English. Nowadays I am not giving so much time on English, but my level of English is this. And how good or how much I was able to narrate my story in the English idea. And I know guys, this is the very easy story that everyone can narrate, but I tried from my side, and you have to tell me what is the level and how much score I am able to get for this story. We'll meet again in next new video tomorrow. So for today, from my side it is okay. So let's call it a day. We'll meet again tomorrow. Then tab tak ke liye bye bye, tata, and have a great day.